Indoda nendoda iyophiliswa iphinde ibulawe izinqumo zayo. Whether we like it or not, Kaizer Chiefs cannot drip, cannot defend, cannot attack, they cannot play. We are outsmarted today and the game ended in first half. Truth be told. Everything that Bobby Kaizer Jr. that are doing angeke affect the Chiefs for now, even for the next coming years. Loya 10 years bekudlala loya. Loya 10 abe ukudlala. And yabona ukulose iderby, it is acceptable, but uyoluza ngalendlela esiluze ngayo, and it could have been worse. It could have been worse. Uvuma uzamile nala akuzameka khona. But the players, the coaches didn't come to the party. Orlando Pirates made sure that in the middle of the park, they are stable. And they caused Kaizer Chiefs not to have that stability in the middle of the park. If you can look at the first half, there were many balls that were misplaced. The passes were misplaced. We lost balls cheaply in that middle of the park. And the sad part is that even our defensive midfield, there's nothing he could have done. Or let me say, he can't do what Oaks does, protecting the back four. When it comes to Maboy, one thing that is good that he does is to make sure he links the defense with the attack. Play those progressive passes, but defensively he is questionable, and it's becoming serious because the difference between Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates, it was Makaul and Usbelebele. Kaizer Chiefs rely on a player so that if that player is not having a good game, Kaizer Chiefs doesn't play. Orlando Pirates doesn't depend on a player. Mfukeng wasn't in the game, but they managed to win. Police was there. Muremi was there. But for Kaizer Chiefs, who was there? Chislet. Angeke sikhuluma ngoChislet. Because number one, umfake ehlathini in a high stake game like this while your teammates are not coming to the party. Yazi ukubona uModi qala imatch, it showed ukuthi besiyo defender, because with uMcCarthy starting, it simply means uModi will drop deep and help uMcCarthy defend because he couldn't contain his speed ska Muremi neska Apolis. But another thing they didn't realize, Coach Ward had another game plan. Sibelebele was marvelous to watch. Pule Modi uzowakhishwa angabanga ne successful dribble or no Sibelebele. Sibelebele has a pace. Ufaka umuntu like uModi ukuthi azogaya both things. Ukudefenda ngakudefendisa but uku-attack angeke because angeke amdlulu Sibelebele. Kuzokwaba ngcono mase kufaka uVelebhayi nakhona I believe ukuthi it was because besekakhathele vele uSibelebele, but bengeke along. But uVelebhayi, I'd say ukuthi it was an inspirational change out of all the changes. Yabona, one thing I notice about Kaizer Chiefs players is the mentality that is failing them. Angeke uyodlala iderby udlale ngazathi uvusiwe kwathiwa hamba udlala ngo12 ebusuku. There's no structure. It's difficult to combine passes. The team cannot go with fluidity going forward. Players like Abu Lilepo had a bad game the whole 90 minutes, but angeke kuzo bamkhipha. Flavio Silva first touch, I am khaba, and imenzele izinto zibe difficult. Ngibona ama-fans wambuka, so it showed ukuthi the frustrations aya ngokwanda because it's better to lose to Marumo Gallants than to lose to Orlando Pirates, your rivalry club. Because to be honest, we were humiliated. It could have been worse. Now we see ukuthi iyabasinda iKaizer Chiefs ama-coaches. Ne-XP yabonga ukuthi ayikho. We were playing against a team that came to win the game, not to play the game. But Kaizer Chiefs players went there to play the game, not to win the game. The entire first half, there was no shot on target. And for the fact that we considered an early goal, it simply means that there were concerns for us. Because we know that we cannot score. It's difficult even for us to score that one goal, that is one goal FC. But the minute Orlando Pirates scored the second goal, I was like, even if I didn't continue watching the match, because I knew it was over for Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Failing to string along 3 to 4 passes. Our midfield was disjointed. That's why with every time whenever we would lose the ball, Orlando Pirates would scatter and attack us using their trio. Because they know what Umrem has pace, Apollos has pace, we are joining Mfuking. It's difficult for us to deal with them. One thing, another thing that we do is Sulai. We want to apply a high line, but you know that you don't have speed defender. Yet you want to succeed, yet you want to win games. Yes, we've been getting away with a lot of things, but games like this expose the quality in the team, the depth in the team. That's what this game revealed about the Kaizer Chiefs. The coaches understood that we are going to play such a pressure game, but what happened, it didn't reflect on whether they wanted to win the game or not. It was unfortunate ukuthi sibone uvuma vimba because Superintendent Peterson kuthiwa ihere a surgery, so yizo-ke indaba bezibhlungu, but angeke siblame uBruce Vuma for the goals that we considered. Angeke siblame uBruce Vuma. Elokuqala is unfortunate every time uFlavio Silva, whenever he tries to help the team defend, kuba nephutha elenzekayo bayascore, and then the entire 90 minutes he becomes frustrated. Ngimbona athi ku-referee FU ku-fourth official after vele decision was against him, of which I believe ukuthi ibhola bekwelichiwe. Umhlalise isikhathi esingaka uSilva umbonga ukuthi akakuniki next uThembeni. Uzofaka uDupreez isikole sokuyi-3-0 uzokunikani uDupreez, because you know the strength of uDupreez to play on the shoulders of the defenders. Ayophuma kubani lama through balls mazokhipha uChislet ufake yena uDupreez. You see ukuthi some things are not aligning, and now we see there's a difference between a club that plays to secure a top 8 spot and a club that plays to win the league. Orlando Pirates wanted to score as many goals as possible because they know that it increases their chances of winning the league, because they know that even if they can get tied on points with Mamelodi Sundowns, but what matters the most is the goal difference if head-to-head doesn't count. But for Kaizer Chiefs, it's like they were there for vibes. No tactical acumen came from the coaches. They were automated. There was no structure. Everything that was happening, we were rushed into making decisions because they knew good, okay, we cannot penetrate them. So since they've scored an early goal, it simply means one thing: we will chase the match. And the more we chase, the more we try to go at them, we leave spaces behind. That's what happened. Just imagine a center back like Kusibisi making his way up until to the box of Kaizer Chiefs and nearly scored. It tells you about a lapse of concentration from Chiefs. Even the third goal, I believe it was the game that we played against the Pirates, the one that you lost by 3-2, where we were leading both games, with 2 goals at first half, scored by Dupreez. Lapse of concentration again. I remember lapana begwi 2-2, and then Kaizer Chiefs alahlisa it was a throw-in. Balithatha balinika Mfukeng walijumpisa wathi Saling wadla net. Same thing with the third goal. Thina sagadeni i-throw-in throw trap Umrem cross defense ball watching. Kunika is now dropping the ball. If you are a goal we considered versus Stellenbosch, the second goal, the goal that we considered again, Apolis, it was his space there. That's why they always say good in their half spaces. That's where most goals come. They come from half spaces because ukabanisa a right center back or a left center back with a full back swine. Agaz gutuba no melai. So such games, I'd say Guti, they reveal something about the club that needs to change. We are not pressing our opponents. We are not aggressive when we attack. We don't have any proteins. We don't have coordination when we attack. And yet to expect to win the game. This was a game I'd say, Guti, out of all that we have played this season, it was the one that it seems like we were lost in the game. We were lost in the game. I don't know, Guti, how did you view this match, but it was a total embarrassment. Yazi, have you ever watched a game whereby you wish the opponent could score more than the goals that they've scored? Just because you wanted something to be proven. Because it really doesn't hurt that much. Sibuya kubo 5-1. But if they've scored more than that, that's where management bezophapha bongo. No. Hayi kuyala. Yakuhlangana next. And they would caution themselves, Guti, why are we always letting the fans down? Because I don't blame players, I don't blame, because everything starts from the management. They are the ones that are responsible for the betterment of the club. Come to signings, come to the coaches that they hire. Ikanjalo Makhosi, asixoliseni inhliziyo. Siyobona kwigame elandelayo. 4 losses in a row. Spade.